Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment. We're here today at our newest listing at 1550 Main Street East at the Traffic Circle with this amazing lot that's 90 by 137. Let's take a closer look at what this property has to offer. Thank you for visiting us at 1550 Main Street East in Hamilton. If you have questions about this property, or if you'd like to buy or sell your property in Hamilton, please give me a call. My name is Mark Woehrle. I can be reached at 905-512-1846.